In this video, I'll be breaking down the top 5 best drones on the market, catering to everyone from casual flyers to personal drone pilots. Stick around until the end to find the perfect drone for you. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro introduces a third camera with a portrait-length lens, providing a useful new perspective for content creators. The new camera offers a 70mm equivalent framing, ideal for various scenarios such as people shots and high-speed action. However, it has a smaller sensor area compared to the main camera, resulting in less detail and inferior low-light capability. The lack of full D-Log support limits its dynamic range potential. Despite these limitations, the video and photo quality are relatively sharp with accurate colors. The Mavic 3 Pro also includes updates like a faster aperture and support for 4K 60fps video on the telecamera. Battery life is slightly reduced to 43 minutes, and a sleeker carrying bag is introduced. Overall, the Mavic 3 Pro builds upon its predecessor's features, offering content creators more value for their money. The basic model is priced at $2,200, while the Fly More combo, including extra batteries and accessories, costs $3,000. The Cine version with ProRes and a built-in 1TB SSD is priced at $4,800. Got excellent performance and image quality. Number 4. Autel Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Evo Lite Plus drone offers professional features in a well-made package. The premium bundle includes various accessories like cables, charging hub, North Dakota filters, and 3 batteries, making it a comprehensive option for longer flights and better image quality. The drone itself is solidly built with carbon fiber legs and metal gimbal, offering stability and durability. The redesigned controller resembles an Xbox controller and provides a comfortable grip, although lacks storage for the sticks. The charging hub efficiently charges 3 batteries simultaneously, but could benefit from accommodating 4 batteries. The drone's camera, featuring a 1-inch sensor, captures excellent 20-megapixel photos and 6K videos with good low-light performance. Its auto mode works well, adapting to different lighting conditions, while manual mode allows for more control over settings. The drone flies deliberately but lacks speed, though adjustable EXP settings help customize the flight experience. It features front, rear, and bottom sensors for obstacle detection and geofencing. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 40 minutes of flight time, and connectivity remains strong even in urban areas with high interference. Overall, the Autel Evo Lite Plus is a versatile drone suitable for professionals, hobbyists, and beginners alike, offering excellent performance and image quality. Number 3. DJI Air 3. DJI's Air 3 drone introduces dual primary cameras, offering cinematic shots with a telephoto lens and wide-angle camera. It features the new O4 transmission system, increasing range and bringing waypoint feature to Air family drones. Weighing 720 grams, it's heavier than the Air 2S, but collapses into a compact size. The 4,200 mAh batteries provide up to 46 minutes of flight time, and a new charging feature redistributes power from weaker batteries to the strongest. The 04 transmission system boosts range to 20 kilometers, improving connection stability. With omnidirectional sensors, obstacle avoidance is excellent, and features like active track, master shots, and time-lapse are available on both cameras. The 1x1.3-inch sensors offer 4K in HDR, 10-bit 420 D-Log-M, and HLG for improved dynamic range. Photos can be shot at up to 48 megapixels in JPEG or RAW formats. The new RC2 controller offers a brighter screen and more precise controls. Priced at $1,100 for the drone alone and $1,550 with the Fly More kit, it competes with Autel's Evo Lite Plus and DJI Mini 3 Pro. Overall, the Air 3 is a versatile option for drone buyers looking for advanced camera capabilities at a more affordable price point. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The regular Mini 3 has arrived, sans the Pro tag, but fear not, as it retains all the important features. There's no loss in photo quality, flight time, or still photo quality. The camera, sensor, and picture quality remain the same. The drone offers pro-quality footage at an affordable price. It's a smoother flyer and looks cooler than its predecessor, The Mini 2. The removal of collision sensors on the front and back may concern beginners, but bottom sensors help during landing. The absence of other color profiles like DCIN-like won't affect most users, as shooting in the normal profile is sufficient. While the Mini 3 lacks some features of the Pro version, such as 60 FPS in 4K and master shots, these may not be deal breakers for many. The retention of the vertical camera is a bonus for content creators. Overall, the Mini 3 is a great choice, especially for those on a budget. It's a solid replacement for the Mini 2 and makes for an excellent gift, perhaps even the best dad gift of the year. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. DJI made waves with the Mini 3 Pro, and now they're raising the bar even higher with the Mini 4 Pro. This latest model boasts enhanced obstacle detection and features like ActiveTrack 360. The Mini 4 Pro has been subtly redesigned while maintaining its sub-250-gram weight, meaning it doesn't require licensing or registration in many areas. Its front, rear, and side sensors are now angled to cover all directions, and the body has been streamlined. During flight, the Mini 4 Pro's speed is quite impressive, reaching 35 miles per hour in sport mode and 26 miles per hour in normal mode. It effectively detects obstacles and offers extra security with automatic braking. Utilizing DJI's new O4 transmission, the Mini 4 Pro provides better connectivity than its predecessor. Battery life remains at 34 minutes. The Mini 4 Pro's camera offers impressive capabilities, with features like 4K at 60 FPS and 1080p at 120 FPS. While its image quality is quite good compared to smartphones, it's not on par with mirrorless cameras. Its lightweight design makes it less vulnerable to crashes, offering a unique option in this price range. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be informed about more content, and do not miss our future videos. See you later.